Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great job on learning the first 15 katakana characters, the A, K, and S line. If you practicing them, you are already building real Japanese reading skills. Today we are continuing our katakana journey by learning 15 more katakana characters, the T line, N line, and H line. By the end of this lesson, you will able to read and write 30 katakana characters, which means you are already halfway to mastering the entire katakana system. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. If you take vowels and add T at front of them, you will get the T line. The T line introduces you some very unique shapes and one character that beginners often confuse. But don't worry, I will make it super easy.
た、た、
Pronunciation of character ta in Japanese is something like the combination of TAH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short diagonal line from top left to the bottom right. Draw a vertical line downward. Draw a small diagonal stroke on the right side.
ち、ち、
The pronunciation of character chi in Japanese is something like the combination of CHEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line at the top. Draw a longer horizontal line below it. Draw a curved vertical stroke through the center. Think of it like a curved ladder.
つ、つ、
The pronunciation of character tus in Japanese is something like the combination of TSOO in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a small diagonal stroke. Draw another small diagonal stroke beside it. Draw a longer curved stroke underneath. People often confuse those with chi. The only difference is that the longer curved stroke is little bit more vertical in those.
て、て、
The pronunciation of character te in Japanese is something like the combination of TEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line. Draw a longer horizontal line below it. Draw a vertical line through the middle.
と、と、
The pronunciation of character to in Japanese is something like the combination of TOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a vertical line downward. Add a small diagonal stroke on the right side. If you take vowels and add n at front of them, you will get the N line. The N line has some stylish and flowing characters.
な、な、
The pronunciation of character na in Japanese is something like the combination of NAH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top. Draw a vertical line through the center.
に、に、
The pronunciation of character ni in Japanese is something like the combination of NEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line at the top. Draw a short horizontal line at the bottom. That's it. Just two lines.
ぬ、ぬ、
Pronunciation of character no in Japanese is something like the combination of NOO in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top. Draw a curved stroke looping near the bottom. Add a small finishing flick.
ね、ね、
The pronunciation of character ne in Japanese is something like the combination of NEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short horizontal line. Draw a longer horizontal line below it, crossing through the center. Draw a vertical stroke downward from the center of second stroke. Draw a small left hook at the bottom. Draw a small hook at the top.
の、の、
The pronunciation of character no in Japanese is something like the combination of NOH in English. Let's see how to write it. One smooth diagonal stalk from top to bottom. One of the fastest katakana to write. If you take vowels and add H at front of them, you will get the H line.
は、
The pronunciation of character half in Japanese is something like the combination of HEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a diagonal line to the left. Draw a diagonal line to the right. That's it. It's look like an open doorway.
ひ、ひ、
The pronunciation of character H in Japanese is something like the combination of HEE in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a short diagonal line. Add a long curved stalk beneath it.
ふ、ふ、
The pronunciation of character Fu in Japanese is something like the combination of FOO in English. Let's see how to write it. Write a horizontal line going left to right, then curve it downward at the right end.
へ、へ、
The pronunciation of character He in Japanese is something like the combination of HEH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a one angle stalk like a simple roof. Super easy.
ほ、ほ、
The pronunciation of character Ho in Japanese is something like the combination of HOH in English. Let's see how to write it. Draw a horizontal line at the top. Draw a vertical line through them. Add two small diagonal stalks. Now let's practice with these characters multiple times.
た、た、ち、ち、つ、つ、て、て、と、と、な、な、に、に、ぬ、ぬ、ね、ね、の、の、は、は、ひ、ひ、ふ、ふ、へ、へ、ほ、ほ、
Now let's practice with these characters multiple times.
た、た、ち、ち、つ、つ、て、て、と、と、な、な、に、に、ぬ、ぬ、ね、ね、の、の、は、は、ひ、ひ、 ふ、ふ、へ、へ、ほ、ほ、
Let's use what you have learned. Here are some real words using only the first 15 katakana characters.
タクシー、タクシー、
Means taxi.
トマト、トマト、
Means tomato.
ナイフ、ナイフ、
Means knife.
ノート、ノート、
Means notebook.
ホテル、ホテル、
Means hotel.
ハート、ハート、
Means heart. Amazing work today. You have now learned the 30 katakana characters. That is huge progress. At this pace, you could master katakana very soon. Keep practicing this daily. Write them, say them out loud, and use them in real words. In the next lesson, we will cover the remaining katakana characters. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below which line was the hardest today, T and or H. You are doing a fantastic job. See you in the next lesson. Mata ne.